Let's make the door knobs with resin. Measure resin and hardener as 1:1 ratio. Mix it thoroughly. Let's add some pigments from Meyspring. For easier application, cut the foam cup. Our main color is white pearl. Add raw resin mixture and mix the pigment. We will create a marble effect, so we will need gray and gold pigments. Just look how pretty is this floating pigment. Pour white mixture into a mold first. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Now our gray and gold pigments are thicker, which allows us to mimic marble effect by adding the lines on the white pigment. Let it cure for 16 hours. Demold. Add if desired the lines with acrylic or oil-based markers. Apply a clear coat of resin. Leave to cure. Drill the holes once fully drilled. Install the screws and datic to the doors. Here you have uniquared ware.